Hi, welcome you all. This is Lokesh Kellur, Assistant Teacher, Social Science, Talented Girls Residential School, Ranjanpur. Dear students, in this video, I come with some more important one-mark questions for your examination. Let's know about the important question. The first question: which part of our article of Constitution explain the international peace and coexistence? In our constitution, we write fourth part and article number 51 explain international peace and coexistence. Next question, mention the big country which borders India. The important big country in border, that is China. Next question, which book mention the Silk Road between India and China? The book Kautilya's Arthashastra. Next question, which region is main bone of contention between India and China? The region Arunachal Pradesh. Next question, which countries have the highest populations in the world? The country China, second one India. The next question, which is the latest development that strengthened the relationship between India and China? That is the formation of BRICS groups of countries. Next question, list out the steel plant established in India by support of Russia. The steel plants are Bhilai steel plant and Bokaro steel plants. Go to next question, which are the two biggest democratic countries of the world? Those are India and USA. Next question, which are the two political parties of USA? The two political parties are Democratic and Republican parties. Next question, which historical agreement is signed between India and Pakistan? That is most important, Tashkent Agreement in 1966. Next question, who mediated the Tashkent Agreement? That is Russia. The next question, which region is the main bone of contention between India and Pakistan? That is Jammu and Kashmir. Next question, what is the effect of Indo-Pak War of 1971? That is the creation of Bangladesh. Next question, who aided India in Goa liberation movement? That is Russia support India. Next question, which is the first country support to India's quest in Security Council? That is also a friendly nation, Russia. Go to next question, what is the important changes that took place due to end of Second World War? The importance, that is the imperialism and colonialism was ended. Next question, when did the General Assembly adopt Declaration of Human Rights? The Declaration of Human Rights on 10th December 1948. And what are human rights? Human rights means the rights which are essential for an individual development. These are called human rights. Next question, what is the declaration of Hoover over the arms race? The former president of America, Hoover, explained the world which has arms not only wastes the money, it also wastes the sweat of labor, intelligence of scientists, and wastes the dreams of their children. This is the statement given by Isaac Hoover. The next question, what is the India's stand on human rights? That is, India has been advocating Universal Declaration of Rights from the beginning. The next question, what is arms race? Arms race means production of weapons of mass destruction in a competitive way. This is called arms race. Next question, what does the word third world denotes? The word third world denotes poverty and non-development. The next question, which part of the Indian Constitution provided a fundamental rights? In our Constitution, Part 3rd, Article number between 12 to 35, we adopted our fundamental rights. Next question, which is the dangerous phenomena in present world? The dangerous phenomena is arms race. Next question, which are the countries considered as third world? Those are Asian, African and Latin American countries. Go to next question, which policy is a hurdle in the progress of SAARC, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation? The policy that all decisions need to be taken anonymously. This is the hurdle. Next question, which is the organization established after the First World War to prevent future war? So as you know that is League of Nations, established in 1990. Next question, who were the founders of UNO, United Nations Organization? The founders are Winston Churchill of UK, Joseph Stalin of USSR and F.D. Roosevelt of USA. These are the founders of UNO. Next question, where is the headquarters? Where is headquarters located? Where is the headquarters of UNO located? That is New York. The next question, when did the UNO established? UNO established on 24th October 1945. Next question, which organs of UNO is called as the Global Parliament? That is General Assembly. And next one, why do the greeting cards sold by UNICEF? Because to generate funds to fund its various functions. Next question is, how many countries signed in the conference of UNO held at San Francisco in 1945? Those are 51 countries. So the first conference held 1945 in San Francisco. Next one, how many countries are members of UNO? Now there are 193 countries are there. Next one, which is the organ is the most powerful body in UNO? That is Security Council. Next one, what is veto power? Veto power means a single negative vote of permanent members. Next one, which organizations of UNO had lost its existence of UNO? That is Trusteeship Council. Next one, where is the headquarters of ICJ, International Court of Justice, located? That is Hague of Netherlands. Next question, which are the SAARC countries, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation countries? That is India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bangladesh, Maldives, Bhutan and Afghanistan. Dear students, these are the questions are helpful to your examinations. So keep watch. Thank you very much and wait to watch my next video. I come with very soon. Thank you very much.